Hello friends, Gulabo Sitabo has released on 12 June 2020 on OTT platform and you can watch it now on Amazon Prime. The film stars Amitabh Bachchan and Ayushmann Khurrana in the lead role. The film is directed by Shujit Sircar, who is known for films like Vicky Donor and Piku, and the film is written by Juhi Chaturvedi. The film revolves around Mirza and Banke, played by Amitabh Bachchan and Ayushmann Khurrana, and their struggle to acquire Fatima Haveli, which they live in. They always have verbal spat between each other, just like Tom and Jerry cartoon, which has also been shown in one of the scenes in the movie.
हवेली पे कब्जा करेगा, निकाल मार कर देंगे हम सबको। हाँ, घोंगा बन के बैठे हो गले में हमारे।
चिल्लाओ मत, अटैक आ जाएगा।
Ayushmann, who plays Banke, is a tenant and has been living there in the Haveli for years, paying rent of just ₹30 per month.
रही बात किराए की, इतना मिल रहा है, तब खुश रहो, वरना ये भी नहीं देंगे।
Amitabh Bachchan plays the role of Mirza, the landlord of Fatima Haveli, but want to acquire the Haveli in his name, which belongs to his wife.
क्या लगा है? पांचों उंगली में है।
One day, a situation arises when a wall of the Haveli falls apart just by a kick of Banke, who has been waiting to go into loo but loses his temper and kicks the wall. The wall breaks apart and the verbal spat between Mirza and Banke begins. Mirza wants the wall to be repaired and Banke blames Mirza for not maintaining the wall.
24 घंटा दे रहे हैं हम तुमको बादशाह।
24 घंटा क्या 24 साल दे दो, नहीं कराएंगे हम। मरम्मत काहे नहीं कराई इस खंडर की तुमने?
The sad matter then goes to police, where an archaeological department personnel played by Vijay Raj comes to know about the Haveli and suspect the Haveli to have archaeological importance.
क्या कर रहे हो बे?
The whole film is based on this plot and their struggle to acquire and live in the sad Fatima Haveli.
कोर्ट कचहरी के चक्कर से निजात पाओगे, हमें गोद ले लो।
Talking about the actors in the film, Amitabh Bachchan has done a commendable work. Believe me, if the name Amitabh Bachchan was not highlighted in the film, then you won't be able to know who's the character playing Mirza. He absolutely looks totally a different person altogether, from his look to his walk. His dialogues and timing is perfect. It is rightly said, the Shansha of Bollywood never disappoints. Ayushmann, who plays Banke in the film, proves his skills in method acting. He totally looks like an ordinary man struggling to make a living.
हटो 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 यहाँ से।
हम नहीं जानते।
हटो यार, दुकान के लेट हो रहे हैं, हटो यहाँ से।
हाँ तो निकालो पैसा, ले जाओ गाड़ी।
His dialect, expressions and his appearance makes the movie going, and trust me, this actor has now mastered the art of method acting.
साला हमारा ही बलफ मेरा निकालने के लिए।
Vijay Raj, we know this actor and his finest work from the movie Run and Delhi Belly, continues to give a really believable performance.
Pullman thinks that government is interfering in his house, but he does not know. Very soon, this house will be declared national property.
He is playing the role of one of the officers of archaeological department, and his appearance has made an overall impact in the film. If the writers had given him good dialogues, he could have delivered it more better, I feel. Talking about the screenplay and the story, it's a slow-paced film. Certain scenes are dragged. Sometimes you feel bored, but the cinematography captured by Avik Mukhopadhyay will keep you intrigued. Dialogues and scenes are well planned. They will make you laugh, but dragging the film a bit has been an issue. The director Shujit Sircar could have trimmed the film a bit, which would help in keeping the attention of the audience going. It's a good watch on a weekend, truly magical performances, but being on a slow side might give some people a sleep. I'm going with 3 stars for Gulabo Sitabo. It is a one-time watch for the overall performances given by Ayushmann Khurrana and Big B.